one of the most valuable things about being an entrepreneur, making money and all that sort of stuff is great. But the freedom that you get to do what you want when you want, I think is absolutely priceless. But right now, it's Friday, it's 11 a.m., and I'm now at my martial arts class. Now, the thing is that I want to do martial arts now. I don't want to do it later on this evening. I don't want to do it at 7 o'clock. I don't want to do it at 8 o'clock. I want to do it now. So the fact of having so much more flexibility, you know, being an entrepreneur, having that freedom, for me is absolutely priceless. Yeah, it really genuinely is. So look, I'm about to go in. They're waiting for me right now. Yeah, I'm about to go in. So here we are. All right, I'm going to take you inside. Right, so just give me a sec. All right, let me just close up the roof, okay? Because just in case, you know what it's like in England. You know what it's like in Great Britain. You know, 1 minute it might be sunny, next minute, guess what? It is pissing down with rain, okay? So let me just put the roof up, and then we're going to go inside, right? And we're going to get started, okay? Right, let's take these off. Let's do this. You all right, James?
Hello,
how you doing, my man?
Yeah,
good to see you. Good to see you. Nice one. You all right, mate? Yeah, what's going on, mate? Cool. Right, so here we go, everyone. Here we go. Right. So this is the gym, yeah? Here we go. So look, just think of me in about the next 20 minutes. This guy right here, you know, you're going to be choking me out left, right, and centre. Yeah, about the next 20 minutes or so, right? But this is it. This is how I like to spend my Friday morning, you know? So like I say, entrepreneurship, it can give you that freedom. But anyway, I'll do another video when I come out. Okay, right, now I have just come out, okay? Now, look, that was a very tough session, but this is it. This is what it's all about, you know, in terms of living life on my terms, you know? So, you know, what about you? What about your life? Are you living your life on your terms? You know, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna have a shower first and foremost, you know, I'm gonna grab some food, you know, then after that, you know, I'm gonna probably do some more videos. I might even go to the gym later, you know? I'm on this fitness kick at the moment, you know? I wanna, you know, be all I can be, you know, in all aspects of my life, you know, which is business, which is fitness and health and everything. So I might even go to the gym later on. Then I'm gonna go and see a friend a little bit later, and then that's me, that's my day, you know, and pretty much every day can be like that. Of course, I've got to deliver for my clients, you know, the people that I work with, you know, but other than that, you know, I get a lot of time to do what it is that I want to do when I want to do it. So look, this is your life as well, you know, your life, you know, it's up to you whether or not you choose to live life on your terms. Okay, right, now, so it's just gone 20 past 12. I'm now home, so I'm now just coming into my house, okay? So this is where I live right here, okay? So I'm now home, and how am I gonna spend the rest of my day? As I mentioned, I'm gonna do some more videos, but you know what? Because it's such a nice day, you know, I'm gonna do my videos from over here. Yeah, I'm going to do some videos from over here, you know, so that the grounds around here are really nice. Now, look, this is not about look at me, because no one really gives a damn, yeah? It's not even about that. It's about living life on your terms, okay? If you're not living life on your terms and you really want to, well, why are you not living life on your terms? And most importantly, when is that going to change for you? Because remember, we've only got one experience of life. So there's only going to be one experience of me, there's only one experience of you. Okay, so we've all only got one experience of life, and when are you going to live ultimately the way that you really truly want to live? Because when the show is over, the show is over. And, you know, you could be looking back on your deathbed thinking, you know what, I could have done this, I should have done that. Oh, yeah, you know what, if only this happened, if only that happened. Whereas right here, right now, if you're watching this video, you have got the opportunity to change your life, live life on your terms. However, it is completely up to you, all right? I'm gonna go in here now. I need a shower. I really do after the martial arts lesson. I'm gonna go and have a shower right now, do my videos. I'm gonna probably do another video later when I'm on my way to the gym, because you know what? This is how I like to live my life. How do you like to live your life?